Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about how you can make QR code in Canva. The video title will be Canva QR Code Generator tutorial and how you can create QR codes on Canva. So it will be a complete beginner friendly video and I will try my best to break down each process step by step. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, this is our Canva platform, and here if you want to create an QR code, it is really simple. So first of all, let's talk about the Canva. Let's open it into the incognito mode. From the scratch we can start it. So though you can see it, this is the Canva platform. When you will visit it in firstly, here you will get something like this. So here they are telling us what will you design today. So with Canva you can design, generate and work anything, like you can create social media posters, docs, even presentations, sheets, photo editor. Also you can create websites and many things. So you can design code with AI also. It is like you can do it. Then here you can start it from the free, like you can allow to use it freely with Canva. Then if you want to purchase the premium plan, then you are allowed to purchase it also. So creating a Canva account is really simple. You just need to be click on create. Like here you can see that what is get Canva free. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then they will give you the options to continue with Google. If you have an Gmail, then you can easily continue with this option. Then if you have Facebook, then you can go with this one. Then we have another way in here, as you can see it. So it is really suitable and really simple. Once you're done, then you will get this kind of an interface on your desktop. Once you're done, here you can easily create your Canva QR code. So here I'm going to search a template that will be coming post. Just hit it and then I will try this post as a QR code. So here you can see this is the esports gaming. So I'm going with this one. Just click over here and click on customize this template. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the new tab where you can easily change each and every element in here. Like you can change whole design if it is needed. Like right now I don't need any design, so I just want to link this to, like I would just want to share a QR code here where people can easily scan it and they will get our link. This is my website link, so they will get this link on their apps or their phone. Let's search it. If there is any website exists, they will redirect to that page. So there is no website yet, so I'm going to search in gaming esports tournament. So here you can see this is the esports tournament options. So I'm going to copy this link. So here you can see I already verified. So now here you can see this is the tournament. So I am going to copy this and then I will come over here, come to the back, and here I'm going to click on apps. As you can see, this is the apps panel, and here I'm going to search QR code. Once I search here, I will get a couple of options in that place, but I think the first one is really applicable for us. Even if you just click over here, the process was really simple. You just need to be paste your URL over here, and if you want to customize the design, you are allowed to do it. As you can see, you can change the background color, foreground, then margin. So I don't want to change it yet, so I will leave it like this way, and I will click on generate code. Once I click over here, now here you can see our code has been generated perfectly. So here I just need to place it something somewhere where it will be good. So I think this place will be good. So this way you can easily generate your QR code. So now you will have some question like how you can generate your existing post on Canva. It is also really simple. Let me give you the options. Just click on home, and the procedure was really easy before. So here you just need to be search. Let's search for presentation, and let's go and let's click on this presentation. Click on customize this template, and once you customize it here, you just need to click on share. Once you click over here, then here you can see we have couple of options: download, send to teacher, public viewing, then website, present, Google Classroom, and many more. As you can see, it embed, send to phone, and as you can see, present and record, copy to clipboard, then download selections, many more. Like here you can see it. So I am going to click on public view link. Just click over here. Once I click over here, now here you can see it that create public view link. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then here you can see this is the our public view link options. Here you just need to be copy it. Once you copy it, just click on, you can rename it or you can delete it. So let's search it and let's see is it really working or not. Yes, as you can see that our presentation is working perfectly. So now similarly we just need to be search our apps that's called QR code, and let's hit enter button, and here you will get this QR code options. Let's again paste our code, and I'm going to change the background color and font color right now. Like I'm going to customize it, so I will make it this color. I don't know what is the color name, then I will make it black, and let's hit enter button. And as you can see it, this is our eventual design. We are going to place it in the as a chart design. Now here you can see it looks really amazing. So in this way you can easily create QR code with existing Canva design, or you can do QR code with like any URL you will get on this online. Then there is a couple of other options we have, that is you just need to click on share. Once you click over here, now just click on see all. Once you click over here, now here you can see in the share section we have this QR code option. Just click over here QR code, and here you can see that turn this design into a QR code. Just click over here and you can see that our preview has been showing. You can select all the pages if it is needed. You can select one by one, like particularly there's the options you have. So I'm going to copy the link, and then I am going to paste it here and generate QR code. So here you can see that our page is generating, and this is our QR code already generated. Just click on download QR code, and it has been downloaded, and you can see this is our portfolio QR code. And like in this way you can also create your QR code. It is one of the easiest way. So I hope this video was really knowledgeable for you. So we are going to wrap up the video in here. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you on the next video.